Control of malaria. First, destruction of Anopheles. If Anopheline mosquitoes are completely destroyed, the infection from one person to another can be checked. It is the most effective and the surest way of controlling malaria. It is achieved by using effective insecticides and by draining swamps to destroy the breeding places of mosquitoes. First, destruction of adult mosquitoes. Adult mosquitoes can be most effectively combated in dwellings. The following methods can be employed to kill them. A. Killing by hands. The mosquitoes which approach or bite may be killed by hands to save oneself as well as others. B. Traps. These are small boxes made of wire gauze and internally lined by black paper or cloth. The mosquitoes tend to enter the boxes and then can be killed by closing them. C. Fumigation. Mosquitoes can be driven out of the houses or killed by fumigation. Sulfur, pyrethrum, cresol, tar camphor or other derivatives of naphtha are burned to produce poisonous fumes. Smoke of garlic is now considered to be effective in driving the mosquitoes out. D. Spraying. Mosquitoes can be killed inside human dwellings by using mosquito bombs or by spraying DDT, fleet, pyrethrum and other insecticides. E. Sterilization. Sterilization of mosquitoes is now being achieved in some parts of the world, particularly Japan. This method is very effective in controlling mosquito population. Second, elimination of breeding places. Swampy areas, marshes and stagnant waters such as pools, ponds, pits and ditches must be drained off as they are breeding places of mosquitoes. If possible, the breeding grounds may be filled up with earth or stones, etc. Domestic spaces can be largely controlled by eliminating receptacles that hold water such as tin cans, buckets, cisterns, barrels, etc. Bushes and shrubs should be cleared off. Open drains should be closed or made underground. Third, destruction of larvae and pupae of mosquitoes. It is easier and more convenient to kill the aquatic larvae and pupae than the winged adult of mosquitoes. A. Proper drainage. The young stages of mosquitoes can be prevented from flourishing by not allowing water to stand in drains, streams, ditches, etc. A speedy flow of water can be maintained so that the developing forms get away into larger streams and rivers, where they generally die. B. Oil screens. Surface of water may be covered by spreading petroleum, paraffin oil, crude oil or kerosene oil. The thin surface oil film prevents the larvae and pupae from carrying on their normal respiration and they die. C. Chemical larvicides. Oil solutions or emulsions of DDT, DDD, and benzene hexachloride are effective larvicides. Dust containing Paris green, DDT or BHC are effective in the control of surface feeding Anopheles larvae. Larger bodies of water can be sprayed with these poisonous substances by aeroplanes. Extracts of aquatic weed Ceratophyllum demersum control mosquito larvae in ponds. When Tulsi Ocimum sanctum seeds are introduced in water, they swell and the mucilage coating attracts and traps the mosquito larvae, which eventually die. D. Biological methods. Larvicidal fishes like sticklebacks, minnows, gambusia and trouts, etc. Ducks and aquatic nymphs and adult insects like dragonflies, which are natural enemies of mosquito, may be introduced in ornamental fountains, ditches, ponds, lakes, canals, tanks, etc. They feed upon mosquito larvae and pupae.